Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I'm from Dararagam School, Banigala campus, class 6th. Your subject is science and the lecture number 6. And the topic of our lecture is classification of living things. Student, I have told you in the previous lecture about the classification. Classification mean grouping, group banana. ठीक है? So there are the 5 kingdoms of living things: प्रोटोक्टिस्ट, प्रोकैरियोट्स, फंजाई, प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स. ठीक है, अब हमने एनिमल्स के बारे में पढ़ा है कि हर किंगडम के आगे से सब ग्रुपिंग होती है. ठीक है, एवरी किंगडम इज़ डिवाइडेड इनटू सब डिवाइडेड. ठीक है, animals, there are two groups of animals, one is vertebrate and the other is invertebrate. Vertebrate means with bones. Animal with bones are called vertebrate and animals without bones are called invertebrate. Vertebrates, there are 5 groups of vertebrates: mammals, birds, reptiles, amphibians and fish. And invertebrates have 2 groups: insect and worms. I have told you about the 5 groups of vertebrates, that how their skin is covered, how they live, what are their habitats and everything. Now today we are going to read about the invertebrates. Okay, देयर आर मोर इनवर्टिब्रेट्स देन वर्टिब्रेट्स ऑन द अर्थ. ठीक है, यानी कि इनवर्टिब्रेट्स ज़्यादा हैं, वर्टिब्रेट्स की तादाद कम है. इनवर्टिब्रेट्स डू नॉट हैव बैकबोन. Invertebrates are divided according to the structural features of their bodies. Some invertebrates have 3 or more pair of legs: insects, spider और crabs. ठीक है, स्पाइडर और क्रैब्स इनकी क्या होती हैं, 3 से मोर इनकी लेग्स होती हैं. वाइल अदर डू नॉट हैव एनी लेग्स. Worms, molluscs or slugs, they don't have any leg. Okay, some invertebrates have antenna, insects or tentacles, anomen, while other do not, like starfish. Starfish is a invertebrate. Okay, some invertebrates have soft bodies like jellyfish, while other have a hard shell like snail or exoskeleton like ladybird to protect their soft body. ठीक है, exoskeleton mean उनका skeleton ऊपर बॉडी होती है, बॉडी उनका स्केल्टन नहीं होता. ठीक है, स्केल्टन की तरह उनका पूरा ऊपर से शेल होता है. ठीक है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, डिड यू नो वन ऑफ द लॉन्गेस्ट नोन एनिमल इज़ द बूटलेस वॉर्म. देयर हैव बीन रिपोर्ट ऑफ फाइंडिंग स्पेसिमेंस अप टू 55 मीटर लॉन्ग. ये इतना लंबा होता है कि इसकी लेंथ 55 मीटर लॉन्ग है. द बूटलेस फॉर्म्स म्यूकस इज़ हाईली टॉक्सिक. इसका जो म्यूकस होता है वो बहुत ही टॉक्सिक होता है, बहुत ज़्यादा. द वर्ल्ड स्मॉलेस्ट वॉर्म्स आर कॉल्ड न्यूमेटॉड्स. 20 to 30 of them laying end to end would be needed to equal the thickness of one small coin. यानी कि अगर हम 20 या 30 न्यूमेटॉड्स को ऊपर नीचे राउंड शक्ल में करके रखें तो उनकी थिकनेस क्या बनती है, सिर्फ एक कोइन की, जितने एक कोइन की थिकनेस होती है उतनी उनकी थिकनेस बनती है. ठीक है. Worms. There are many different worms. Worms have a long tube-like body and no arms or legs. Some worms have microscopically small while others can grow much longer. यानी कि कुछ इतने छोटे होते हैं कि उनको हम we cannot see them with the naked eye. We use a microscope to see them. Some can cause infections. Some are parasites and live in the bodies of other animals. Okay. Worms live in various habitats. Some live in water, in the sea or in fresh water, while others live on land or burrow underground. Some worms, such as earthworm, are useful. They live in the soil and help to enrich it. They also aerate, brings into air into the soil. Okay, ये जो earthworm है ये bring air to the soil. This is very useful to us. Okay, this is earthworm. So where they live? They live in water, they live in sea, they live in fresh water, and they also live on burrow or underground. Insects. Insects get their names because their bodies are in sections. ठीक है, insects क्यों नाम पड़ा, क्योंकि उनकी body sections में divide होती है. And adult insects have 3 parts to their body. These are a head, a thorax and an abdomen. Okay, head, thorax and abdomen. Insects have 2 feelers or antenna. These are used to smelling and feeling. जो उनके face के आगे 2 उनकी like होते हैं वो feelers. They are called feelers. Most insects have 2 large eyes. All insects have 3 pairs of legs joined to their thorax. Bees, flies, and beetles are insects. They have wings attached to the thorax and can fly. Birds and bats fly too. But they are not insects. Insects do not have bones. Instead, they are supported and protected by a hard covering called chitin. यानी कि उनकी बॉडी की जो कवरिंग होती है उनको हम चिटिन कहते हैं. वी आर थिंकिंग दैट बर्ड्स हैव ऑल्सो विंग्स एंड दे कैन फ्लाई, but the difference between the birds and the insect is this, that the birds have bones. Birds are vertebrates, but these insects have the insect that have the wings and they can fly, they are invertebrate, they don't have bones. फ्रेंड्स और एनिमी, यानी कि जो इंसेक्ट्स हैं वो हमारे फ्रेंड्स हैं या एनिमी हैं. सो वी आर गोइंग टू रीड. सम इंसेक्ट्स आर कंसिडर्ड टू बी पेस्ट्स. दे डिस्ट्रॉय लीव्स, fruits and seeds. Okay, other like flies and mosquitoes cause diseases. Do you know of any other insect that are pests? इसके अलावा कुछ हैं ऐसे जो आप सोच सकते हैं जो पेस्ट हों मॉस्कीटो एंड फ्लाइज के अलावा? कॉकरोच, yes. Okay, some insect like the honeybee, bee and silkworm are useful to us. Some insects are called social insects as they live together in groups called colonies. In a colony there can be hundreds or even thousands of insects. ठीक है, जैसे कि like the ants. एंड्स की हमेशा आप देखें वो ग्रुपिंग में या लाइन में वो चल रही होती हैं. दे ऑलवेज वर्क इन द ग्रुप, सो द ग्रुपिंग इज़ कॉल्ड कॉलोनी. सो insects are useful to us, you know, as well as they are very harmful to us. So some of them are useful and some of them are not useful. So I hope you understand. Our chapter is complete. Now we are going to complete the workbook pages. So I'll send you the picture how to fill your workbook. Okay, Allah Hafiz.